If your day needs a jolt, here's a power move for you. The US Navy ain't messing around. The United States is flexing its muscles with aircraft carrier in the Mediterranean Sea. Yeah, you heard me right. Not one, but two of our mighty carriers are now patrolling those waters. This isn't just any carrier, folks. We're talking the USS Gerald R. Ford and the USS Dwight D. Eisenhower. These bad boys bring serious firepower, fighter jets, helicopters, the whole 9 yards. Why the big move? Well, with tensions rising and global hotspots heating up, America's making sure our allies and our adversaries know we mean business. This is about keeping the balance and showing we got the might to back our words. It's all about deterrence, baby. So, hats off to the brave men and women of the Navy, showing the world what it means to be. Stay tuned, because Uncle Sam just raised the stakes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on America's powerhouse moves.